Hi curl friends, welcome back to Naturally Shauniece. I'm Shauniece, your favorite curl friend. Let's just pretend that it hasn't been a month since my last video, okay? So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it after you watch today's video. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm going to be doing a twist out. I did this last week. I absolutely love the results. It was so pretty. And I said, you know what? It's been a while. My hair hasn't been this long. Let me go ahead and rerun this twist out and bring it to the YouTube channel. And so that's what we're going to do today. As I stated earlier, I'm going to be using the Doux Bee Girl collection. Here we are. My hair has been washed and cleansed with the Ladies First Supercharged Honey Shampoo. And then I followed up with the Supersonic Honey Charged Conditioner. I just washed and conditioned in the shower. I didn't deep condition today. I left on the conditioner while I was, shaving and washing my body. And so that brings me to my hair is properly detangled. And even though I didn't deep condition, y'all, my hair, I wish you guys can feel it. I wish you could feel my hair. It is so soft. I love this collection. I don't think I brought this collection to the YouTube channel, but you guys know that I love the Doux. All right, let me show you the befores. So here's my hair before. First of all, I need to get this color under control. Again, there's no product on my hair. Here we are. And then we're gonna come here. You can see through here. And so yeah, this is where we're starting off at. Before I twist, I'm gonna use this Pattern Beauty blow dryer here. And today we're gonna be using this attachment. Okay, here it is. Look at this. So pretty. And if you haven't already watched my Pattern Beauty tutorial and like how I used it, unboxing, all of that, I'll put links into the description. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. And the purpose of this is just to stretch out the hair. I'm gonna use low heat. My hair is already pretty much stretched out and dry. This is an air dry. I'm just gonna take this because I want a little bit more length to the twist. And again, I'm going to be using the maybe the medium heat setting here, if you can see that, okay? You know what I forgot to do? I forgot I had this. So I'm actually gonna use it today. I've never used it before. This is Pattern's heat protectant. So let's see what it says. It says, suggested for use on damp or dry hair, section hair, spray 6 to 8 inches evenly throughout each section before using heat appliances. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try because I haven't used it. Let's see. Here we go. Little heat protectant action. Okay, let's make sure we get further enough. Work that in. Okay, now we're gonna go back to blow drying. Oh, that's super soft. It smells delicious. Okay, Pattern. I actually like that. Let's see if it really works though. So in continuing from the blow dry, I go ahead and I take a brush or a comb. Here I'm using my detangling comb and I further smooth out the hair and make sure that there's no tangles. Then I spray water onto the hair, just enough so that the hair is damp and it won't cause too much shrinkage. Then I'm going to do 2 or 3 pumps depending on the section size. In this case, I believe I did 3 pumps, and I'm going to go ahead and smooth the curl mousse onto the hair. Again, I don't have any leave-in conditioner. This is just one product. And notice that I'm taking my time to make sure that the product is really worked into the hair, as well as I activated it into my hands and emulsified it into my hands before applying it to the hair. And then I take my brush and I smooth out again. Then I start from the roots and I make sure that the root is nice and tight. So I'll do a few tugs on the twist and then I twist the hair all the way down tightly. When I get to the ends of the hair, I make sure to take a little bit of the excess mousse that's coming off and I wrap it around my finger to make sure that the ends are not frizzy. And there you go. I really want to show you guys how I know I need a trim, okay? I need a trim and a cut. You could get into this. Look at how scraggly these ends are. And look at the difference between this right here and the hair that's right here, right? These look dry. You can see that they're thinning. See that? All of this thinning. I have long pieces of hair that are coming out from there. Look at that. See that? That needs to be cut, okay? I am not going to hang on to this right here. And you can tell the difference, see that? Between this cut off right here and up here, right? This is a much healthier hair right here. And if you come down to right here, you see the distinct difference, okay? So I'm going to be getting a haircut very soon, actually in a few days. And this is going to go bye-bye, okay? I wanted to just show a slow motion of me spraying my hair so that you guys can see exactly how much water that I prefer to use on my twist. The Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam is an all-in-one styler that conditions, detangles, defines, and sets your wash and goes, twist outs, braids, or anything else, and just using one step, which is why you see that I did not use a leave-in conditioner. I like this a lot because it's fast drying with a flexible hold, and I haven't had any issues with frizz or flaking. It's very important to note that this is infused with supercharged honey, aloe, bamboo, and silk amino acids. To me, it acts like a gel and a mousse in one. See, you can see it again throughout here. This needs to be cut off, okay? Do you see this? Do you see this? Let me just work in this product. You can see here all throughout the hair shaft, my hair is pretty much healthy, right? You can see all healthy, except for when you get down here. Look at that. You can see all of the product has been absorbed, right, onto the hair shaft. It's rubbed in nicely. If you come down here, look at the ends of my hair. The product is just sitting right here, just sitting. See that string of hair that I just pulled out? Split ends. This needs to be cut. Do not hang on to this, okay? My twists are done. They're juicy. Get into it. Look at that. Okay, let's get into the side. We have the back. Okay, all good. All right. And so now I'm just gonna take a couple pumps, 2 pumps, and I'm literally just going to go ahead and smooth down the little flyaways. I have these gray hairs, and so I like to use mousse as like edge control too, especially because I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer. So if you wanna lay your edges, you can do that using the mousse. And remember, the purpose of me sitting underneath the hood dryer is to lock in that curl and to make sure that the mousse sets onto the hair. Just like I do for a wash and go, I'm gonna do it for the twist out. This is gonna help the twist out last for a really long time and get a super defined curl. I am back, and in full transparency, it is actually Wednesday. So we did the original twist on Monday. Yesterday, I was supposed to go into the office, twist them out, all that good stuff. Ended up working from home, which means I left the twist in all day. And so here you see that the twists have been left in. Here's a close-up of what they're looking like. I'll just walk up to the camera like that. There they go, nice and juicy. They're still super defined. That's what the edges look like, okay? Today, the cast is still there just a little bit, but for the most part, it's removed. My twists feel very soft. And so now we're gonna go ahead and take the jojoba oil. And so here's the jojoba oil. I'm gonna just squirt. Look how light that is, y'all. Can y'all see that? It's super light. And we're just gonna rub it onto the fingertips like this. And we're gonna start to take out this back one right here. So I'm gonna rub the jojoba oil onto the twist like this, and then I'm gonna untwist it. And here you can see, like, get into that. Ooh, beautiful. So nice. So nice. Love it. When I'm untwisting a twist, I separate out into two distinct pieces, and you'll notice that I spend a lot of time smoothing out the hair. And then when I separate starting at the root of the hair, not the ends of the hair. I feel like doing it this way helps to decrease frizz. The twists have been completely taken down. You guys, get into it. Like, I haven't even fluffed my hair yet with the pick, okay? So this is what we're looking like. No pick fluffing. We're soft, bouncy, super defined. I absolutely love it. Let me show you the back. I am in love. Oh my gosh, like, y'all, get into it. Do y'all see this? Beautiful. And we can really have some fun today picking out my hair because I get a haircut tomorrow. So I don't even have to preserve this for 7 days. I'm so excited. So what does that mean? That means we are going to do super big hair today. Big. Now I'm gonna take the pick and I'm literally gonna be picking out from the roots of my hair to get some volume here. And usually I don't pull out that much, but today, because we want big hair, I'm gonna pull out a little bit more instead of just staying at the roots. Now, if you want a super defined twist out, okay, don't take this pick and do what I'm doing right now. Instead, just focus on the roots of the hair, okay? When you start to pull out, you are doing what? You're loosening up the curl, which is going to cause more frizz, which is not going to get you a super defined curl, okay? So if you want a super defined curl and you pick out, you're gonna stay at the roots. If you don't and you want a little bit more lived in frizz, big curly fro, remember, the bigger your hair is, the less defined or more frizz is going to take place. So you have to make that decision for yourself. I think I've said this before when it comes to picking, but you guys already know, I typically would not go this big on day one hair. I just wouldn't do it. Why? Because if you look closely, okay, I do have frizz, okay? The bigger your hair is, that's typically going to mean the looser the curl. If you have loose curls, all that really means is that you have frizz, right? The curl is less defined. Here's a really good example. Let me show you. Sorry. Like all throughout here. Here it is. See, I already have some frizz. Same thing through here. Look at this. Frizz. See that? That's some frizz, right? And that's making my curl be a little bit less defined. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say this. If you want a big curly fro, you're going to have to sacrifice some curl definition. You just are, because the bigger you go, the looser the curl is. You're lifting up from the roots. You have to go all the way through the hair to get that volume, which is going to loosen up the curl and cause frizz. If you want a super defined twist out or even a super defined wash and go, don't do what I'm doing today, and that is picking throughout all of the hair. just take your pick and pick from the roots so that you can save some of that curl definition, therefore giving you a longer wash day. That is it for today's video. I absolutely loved it. I love my final results. Thank you so much for tuning in, sticking with me, and watching the whole video. If you need to watch more videos and want to learn more about how to care for your natural hair and also a little bit of fitness and lifestyle, go ahead and check out some of my other videos. And if you find something that you like, be sure hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. All right? Okay, until later. Bye, curl friends.